Dear students, we will discuss on the key points of the chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. Hope this discussion will help you to understand the chapter in a better way. In this chapter, we shall discuss only about physical nature of matter. So, matter is made up of very tiny particles. If we want to do an experiment, we can do with Dettol. If we take just 1 ml of Dettol and we mix it with 500 liters of water, we will get the smell of Dettol in 500 liters of water. And if we mix that 500 liters with 100 liters of water again, still we will get the smell of Dettol. So 1 ml of Dettol can be present in 600 liters of water. This shows that how tiny the particles are. Next, we shall discuss about the characteristics of particles of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. It is called intermolecular space. Intermolecular space is very less in solids and little more in liquids, and gas it is higher. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Movement is very less in solids, moderate in liquid, and more in gas. Particles of matter attract each other with a force called intermolecular force. Intermolecular force is very high in solids. That's why solid particles in solids are hard and rigid. They are fixed shape. Intermolecular force is less in liquid and very, very less in gas. Now we shall discuss about the states of matter. So the basic 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. When we talk about solid state, we see that solids have fixed shape, they have fixed volume, and distinct boundaries. The intermolecular force is maximum. Molecules are tightly packed with each other. Intermolecular space is minimum. We cannot compress solids. Molecules cannot move freely. So these are the main characteristics of solid. Now let us see the properties of liquids. Liquids do not have any fixed shape, but they have fixed volume. Intermolecular force is less than solid, but greater than gas. Intermolecular space is more than solid, but less than gas. Liquids are almost incompressible. It cannot compress them. Liquid particles can flow freely within the liquid container. Liquids expands more than solids on heating. When we heat a solid, it expands, but expansion is very less. On the other hand, when we heat liquid, it expands more. Gases neither have definite shape nor definite volume. They can occupy the maximum space they get. Intermolecular space is very large, so they can go far apart from each other. intermolecular force is very, very weak. Gases are highly compressible. Molecules can flow freely. Gases do not have any free surfaces. Molecules have more energy than liquids and move freely at high speed. So kinetic energy maximum. Gases expand more than liquids when heated. One drop of, or you can say very small quantity of gas can occupy the whole room. So when we talk about gases, we can understand the difference between liquid and gas by saying that when we have to keep gases, we have to keep in added container, otherwise it will come out from the container. Now we know about the three states of matter. You know we can change them, means we can convert from one state to another by changing their temperature and pressure. If we change the temperature, then also we can change from solid to liquid. That is by heating, solids turn into liquid, and then from liquid to gas. Again, by changing pressure also we can change their states of matter. Here you can see this how can we change the matter. When we increase the temperature, solid changes into liquid by a process called melting or fusion. On the other hand, if we decrease the temperature, then we can convert them from liquid to solid by a process called solidification. Suppose if we take water. Water is in liquid state. If we heat it above 100 degrees Celsius, it will turn into vapor. That is, solid will be converted to gas. Again, by reducing temperature, we will see that at 100 degrees Celsius, the gas will condense and it will turn into liquid. Generally, the vaporization point and condensation point of any matter is same. On the other hand, melting point and freezing point is also same.